Okay guys, nandito tayo sa A-Town Ballpark sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Meron tayong event. Kasama natin ang Fiber Kinetics.
Maganda at may mga dakdakan.
House to give this for the kids and for
half-court shots.
And this is all for the glory of the Lord.
Oh.
Alright, first three. 1, 2, 3. Then rotation na lang. Rotation. Okay. DJ, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Times 2 ball. Oh, OB fly against Kyle. Oh my. Number 77, Slick.
Alright, man.
Lil Flash, pinasa kay Reaper. RG, there's some D! There's some D! Lil Flash, pass to OB Fly, slamming it down. Big J. Oh!
Yo, we got a street ball legend in the house. This is my teammate from Flip Ballers, man. Yo, that's Pee-wee.
Oh, the Reaper! Binabantayan ni Marcus. Marcus Lucas playing against the Reaper. Binigay ni Big J. Everything's happened for A-Town. Oh, KD! Oh! Oy! Nakuha ni Big J. Nilabas. Oh! They're crazy moves. Dumiretso sa loob, binigay kay Amin. Pinabatayan ni RG. Sweezy in the ball game. Mr. Pinoy Hoops. Pass to Amaze. Layup. Good.
Tuloy-tuloy nga namin ka.
19-17.
Ande.
Deuce from Kyle. 21.
You know what we do, bro?
Yeah.
You wanna see those 360s? I got them. You wanna see those 360s? That's my stuff, bro. You watch out there, bro.
Marcus, nilabas kay West. Pass to Kyle. Against Kyle Irving. Sinabayan ni Big J. Nakuha ni... Lil Flash with the ball. KD. Oh! Binigay kay OB Fly. Binabantayan ni KD. Binigay kay The Reaper. Sumalaksak sa loob. Oh! Nice D from KD. Lil Flash. Dancing with a basketball. Woo! Woo! You're gonna get smoked. Woo! You're gonna get smoked. Whoa! Whoa!
Warm up lang yung Mobile Legends habang naghihintay.
Big J, binabantayan ni Marcus Lucas. Oh! Nakakuha ni Lil Flash ang bola. Big. Basket is good.
So,
A-Town kasi ano siya, it's a very small community and pero very passionate dun sa basketball. Kami at Fiber Kinetics, we support yung mga ganitong mga events, especially yung mga 3v3, yung mga small events, as well as large events. And we provide yung mga equipment and ano. So yung equipment kasi nagamit natin mga certified equipment. We also do our own equipment. So yun kasi ang gusto namin, maging consistent yung mga equipment para yung players mismo doon nalalabas yung galing.
Mabangan nyo yung gagawin namin ngayon. First of all, mag-freestyle muna kami. Then magkakaroon kami ng mga 3-on-3 challenge. So abangan nyo yung mga tricks ng mga hype ambassadors.
Ay hawak ng bola, binabantay ni Wesley. Oh! There you go! Oh! There you go! Natin, score, ano score? Oh! Wow! Little flash!
Siyempre, thank you sa Fiber Kinetics, saka sa Hype Streetball, Fit and Right sa araw na ito na binigay nila sa akin.
OB fly, guarded by Mr. Pogi ng Santa Rosa, Wesley Angat. Whoa! 27 all! This is it!
That's it!
Panalo, sige Jeremy.
Yo, what's up? Shout out sa Jelly Farm ng Pilipinas. Nakita ko mga malulupit dito. Just grab it, alright? Don't forget to subscribe, Hype Streetball, Fiber Kinetics, JC Galidion. Pabook nyo sa videographer ng mga happening sa inyo. Saka Hype Streetball, yeah.